Hello everyone, in this Python, Pyplot and Matplotlib tutorial, we explain how to save graphs to different file formats. As a test case, we first generate a simple graph in Python by using Pyplot and Matplotlib. The graph is shown over here. Then, we explain how to save this graph as an image file, such as PNG or JPG file, or as a PDF file that can later on be included in a scientific article or a report. For example, here is the PDF file of this graph. Perfect. And here is the PNG file of the graph. Before I start with explanations, I would like to say the following. I kindly ask you to press the like and subscribe buttons. Thanks a lot. Okay, let's start. The first step is to import the necessary libraries. First, we need to import NumPy. Then, we need to import Pyplot. We need to type import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Perfect. Let's create our function. We need to create two arrays. X array is defined like this. numpy.linspace. The start will be, for example, from -8, the end will be at 8, and in between I will have 100 points. The y-axis array is 0.1 multiplying x squared. This is our quadratic function. Let's plot this quadratic function. We can do that by typing plot.plot. We specify x and y. And let's give the labels. For example, plot.x label is, for example, x, and the y label will be simply y. Okay, and let's show our graph. Here it is. Here's our graph. Perfect, it's a quadratic function. Next, let's learn how to save this graph. What I will do over here, I will create actually a new figure, and over here, before plot.show, I will type plot.savefig. Okay, this function will save our figure. The function plot.savefig has a number of input arguments. For us, there are two most important arguments. The first argument is the name of the file, and the second argument is the resolution specified in dots per inch. Let's first give the name. Over here, we specify the name as a Python string. Let's call the graph as graph new, or let's call it graph new, since I already have graph new. And the question is, what type of a file we want to generate? Do we want to create an image file, or do we want to create a PDF file? Let's say that we want to create an image file, for example, PNG file. To do that, over here you will simply specify the extension as PNG, and that's it. Inside, what will happen? Python will automatically call the PNG file creator, and it will save the file as a PNG image file. You don't need to worry about it. And let's specify the second important argument or parameter, and the second important argument is DPI. By specifying DPI, we specify the resolution of the file. Usually I specify either 300 dots per inch or 600 dots per inch. By the way, DPI stands for dots per inch. Okay, and that's it. Simple as that. Let's do this, and nothing happens. However, we have to look into the corresponding folder. If you're using Spider Python editor, the file will be saved in this folder over here. That is in the folder that is currently active. In my case, the folder is given over here. So let's find our file. Here it is. graphnew.png, graphnew.png, double click, and voila, here it is. Here's our file. Simple as that. On the other hand, if you want to save the file to some other image format, over here you will simply change the extension. For example, If we want to save the file as a JPG file, we will simply type JPG. And let's see the output. Again, where is our folder and where is our file? Here it is, JPG file. Good. How about saving the graph in the PDF form such that you can directly include it in your scientific article or in your student homework assignment? How to do that? Well, again, here you will just specify PDF. And let's see the resulting file. If you click here, here's the PDF file. Perfect. That's why I like Python and Matplotlib. Everything is very simple and you have a full control of everything. Okay, that would be all for today. I hope that you like this video. If you like the videos I'm creating, please press the like and subscribe buttons. Thanks a lot and see you in the next video.